Did you know one man liberated an entire Dutch city by himself in a single night while blind in one eye? April 1945. Canadian Corporal Leo Major walks up to his commanders and tells them he's going to free Zwolle alone. They think he's out of his mind. He goes anyway. For hours, he tears through the streets in the dark. He sets the Gestapo headquarters on fire. He captures dozens of German soldiers. He makes so much noise, so much chaos, that the entire German garrison thinks a full battalion has rolled in. They pack up and retreat. By morning, Zwolle is free. Not one civilian was killed. And this wasn't even the most Leo Major thing Leo Major ever did. Earlier in the war, a general tried to give him the Distinguished Conduct Medal. Leo turned it down. He didn't respect the general, so he just said no. Some people spend their whole lives being told what's possible. Leo Major spent his proving those people wrong.